Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to improve audio recording quality on Dolby On app on iPad 9th Gen. There's an app called Dolby On and you can use it to enhance your audio recordings. So let's go to App Store, then go to Search tab and search for Dolby On. Then download this app, and when it's installed, go to Open. Now you can hear the demo if you want, and you can allow or ask app not to track. And now click on the microphone, click on allow, and now as you can see as I talk, the background changes slightly. That means that the microphone is on correctly, and when I click on the microphone again, it will start recording audio. So let's start. Hi, this is a test recording of Dolby On app which enhances audio. Click on got it, and now your recording has been saved here. You can click on it to play it. Hi, this is a test recording of Dolby On app which enhances audio. This is the enhanced audio. Hi, this is... And you can disable Dolby, so you will hear how the audio sounds without the enhancement. A test recording of Dolby On app which enhances audio. And you can hear the difference. And then at the bottom you can go to Tools to adjust the style, noise reduction, tone, boost and trim. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.